Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best burping kit is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your automotive toolkit, but it's absolutely vital. Air pockets in your radiator can lead to overheating, engine damage, and a whole lot of headaches. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of radiator burping kits, showing you how they work, and why they're a must-have for any car owner who wants to keep their engine running smoothly. Number 5. OEMTOOLS No-Spill Coolant Funnel Kit, 15-piece. This no-spill coolant funnel kit prevents spills and eliminates air bubbles. It is perfect for a clean and hassle-free coolant flush job. The kit includes 5 direct-fit radiator adapters, making it very versatile. This radiator funnel helps prevent spills and trapped air during refills. It features a 45 degrees angled adapter and a 5-inch extension. This allows the user to access tight or awkward filler necks, ensuring easy refills. The integrated fluid stopper prevents drips when removing the funnel. This keeps your workspace clean, making it ideal for your next coolant change. This kit includes 4 cap adapters, 5 filler neck adapters, 3 extensions, a fluid stopper, and a transparent spill-free funnel. It has everything you need. What we like. This kit prevents spills, making your workspace clean. It also includes multiple adapters, making it compatible with various vehicles. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that ensures a clean and efficient coolant refill, this is the one for you. What people say. This tool turned an annoying process into a 45 to 50-minute job. Time will vary depending on how fast your vehicle reaches operating temp. No spills, no issues, simple procedure. Easy to use, works well and makes the entire drain and fill process seamless, allowing the elimination of air in the system. OEMTOOLS No-Spill Coolant Funnel Kit worked great. I flushed and changed the coolant in 2 vehicles and the funnel kit made the job very easy. Place the front end of the car on jack stands or car ramps to aid in burping the coolant system of trapped air. The funnel kit is made very well and provides several adapters to fit most vehicles. Number 4. OEMTOOLS 24444 AirEvac Kit. Introducing the OEMTOOLS 24444 AirEvac Kit. It quickly refills your vehicle's cooling system. This tool also eliminates trapped air, preventing potential engine damage. This kit is designed to remove air pockets efficiently. By using it, you can ensure your engine runs smoothly. It's a simple solution to a common problem. The AirEvac Kit helps reduce the risk of overheating. This makes it an essential tool for maintaining your vehicle's engine. It helps prevent costly repairs. You can perform vacuum leak tests with this kit. This helps ensure your cooling system is working optimally. It's a proactive way to avoid future issues. The kit includes a universal adapter. This provides a secure, airtight seal on most radiator and coolant bottlenecks. It's designed for a hassle-free experience. The kit comes with 5 additional bushings and a tapered cone adapter. This allows it to work with a wide range of vehicle cooling systems. It's versatile and easy to use. What we like. This kit not only refills your cooling system efficiently but also allows you to perform vacuum leak tests. It helps prevent engine damage caused by trapped air. If you are concerned about the performance of your cooling system and want to proactively avoid potential issues, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This unit comes with a handful of adapters and plugs, so it would seem to fit a wide range of systems. This product fit the bill perfectly for the job and made the process faster, cleaner, and helped complete the job properly. Well made, easy to use and clean. This thing worked great. It literally took 30 seconds to place the cooling system under vacuum, and another 1 minute to fill 1.5 gallons of distilled water back into the system. And no air lock afterwards. Works fantastic. Have used it on several vehicles. The most recent, today, was a Ford 6.7 Power-Stroke diesel, with one of the most complicated cooling systems on the road. This tool was magnificent for filling 32 quarts of coolant back into my truck. Number 3. EPAuto Spill-Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. Introducing the EPAuto Coolant Filling Funnel Kit. This kit is designed to make filling your radiator easy and mess-free. It helps you avoid spills and trapped air in your cooling system. The kit allows color matching of caps for dedicated adapters. This feature ensures you're using the right adapter for your vehicle. It's a simple way to keep your cooling system running smoothly. This kit prevents spills and trapped air, which can cause problems. Trapped air pockets may lead to erratic cooling system and heater performance. Using this kit helps avoid those issues. The kit includes a 5-inch extension bar and a 45 degrees elbow. These tools allow access to caps under shrouds or at an angle. This makes it easier to use, even in tight spaces. This product is protected by US Patent US 1051919B2. You can trust the quality and innovation behind this kit. It's a reliable tool for maintaining your vehicle's cooling system. What we like. This kit allows color matching of caps for dedicated adapters, which is very convenient. It prevents spills and trapped air. If you like a kit that is easy to use and helps you to avoid trapped air, consider this one. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to bleed radiators. The included gloves are a nice touch. The valve key is a good design. Number 2. Thorstone 16-piece no-spill coolant funnel kit. This coolant funnel kit is built from heat-resistant ECOPP plastic, which can withstand up to 395 degrees Fahrenheit. The clear funnel design allows you to easily check fluid levels and refill coolant without spills. This tool is designed for efficient air bleeding, preventing overheating after coolant changes. It's ideal for flushing systems and ensuring air-free coolant flow, keeping your engine running smoothly. The kit includes a 5-straight extension and a 45 degrees elbow for hard-to-reach caps. You can combine the components to suit angled radiators, perfect for various engine bays and tight spaces. It comes with 4 filler caps, 5 adapters, 2 45 degrees elbows, 1 5 extender, and a transparent funnel. This kit is compatible with most import and domestic cars, SUVs, and light trucks, including GM, Ford, Toyota, and more. Backed by lifetime product support and 24/7 customer service, the manufacturer ensures hassle-free assistance and satisfaction. They are committed to providing excellent service with every purchase. What we like. This kit is built from heat-resistant material, ensuring durability. It is designed for efficient air bleeding, preventing overheating. If you are looking for a kit that is built to last and compatible with most vehicles, you should consider this one. What people say. It worked just like it said it would. This set allows you to fill, burp, and monitor a cooling system without spilling radiator fluid everywhere. Bleeding the system of air is possibly the easiest I've done with this funnel. All the adapters for different radiator caps and the plunger to plug the funnel for removal with antifreeze still in it. Number 1. Ultimate No-Spill Coolant Funnel Kit, 19-piece set. Tired of coolant spills? This kit is designed to effortlessly refill your automotive cooling systems without any mess. It prevents squeaky belts and eliminates trapped air pockets. This kit works with radiators and surge tanks on most vehicles, both domestic and imported. It even includes adapters for GM and Ford models, making it incredibly versatile. No more drips or air bubbles. The fluid stopper prevents leaks when removing the funnel. This ensures a clean and efficient cooling system every time. Reaching those difficult spots is now easy. The kit includes 5 straight extensions and 2 to 1 4 45 degrees elbows. They accommodate various vehicle configurations. This is a high-quality, trustworthy tool set. It's designed to provide hassle-free coolant filling and maintenance solutions. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a spill-free design, ensuring a clean experience. It is universally compatible with most vehicles. If you like a kit that is easy to use and works with a wide range of vehicles, you should consider it. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to bleed radiators. The included gloves are a nice touch. The tool is well made and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.